Good morning, I will be presenting my answers for figures 1 to 4. For figure 1, the system starts with gear A and rotating clockwise at 1200 RPM. Gear B and gear C is where gear A drives gear B, which rotates counterclockwise. Gear B is part of a compound gear set with gear C, meaning gear C also rotates counterclockwise. For gear D and gear E, gear C drives gear D, making it rotate clockwise. Gear D is compounded with gear E, so gear E also rotates clockwise. For gear F and gear G, gear E drives gear F, which rotates counterclockwise, and gear F drives gear G, making it rotate clockwise. For the second figure, gear A rotates downward with 900 revolutions per minute, driving gear B, which rotates upward. For worm gear C is connected to the shaft of gear B. It has a left-hand double thread. The left-hand thread means it has to rotate counterclockwise to drive the worm wheel forward. Double thread means that per revolution of the worm gear, it moves the worm D by 2 teeth. For gear D, or the worm wheel, and gear E, the bevel gear, gear D and gear E is spinning counterclockwise since the worm gear is spinning upward. For gear E and gear F, the bevel gear set, it converts the axis of rotation at a 90-degree angle. Since gear E is spinning clockwise, it drives gear F to spin counterclockwise. And for the third figure, the input pulley E, it is driven by an electric motor and is attached to a larger pulley by a belt. And for the 48-inch pulley and the 12T gear, or the compound set, the belt moves to the right together with the large pulley and rotates to the right with the smaller gear. The small 12T gear drives the 140-40 gear. For the 140-40 gear and the second 12T gear, or the compound set, the 140-40 gear spins to the left together with the 12T gear. For the 180 gear, it spins to the right and drives the 27T gear. And for the 27T gear and pulley F, the compound set, the 27T gear and the pulley F spins to the left. And for the last figure, this one, for step pulley A, the belt moves downward together with pulley A. For step pulley B is also moving downward and drives gear C. For gear C and gear 2, it spins upward. For gear train 2 to 3, gear 3 spins upward and drives a smaller gear which spins downward, and finally gear 3 which spins upward. For gear 3 and gear F, the bevel gear, a long shaft connects gear 3 to a bevel gear F, which also spins upward. For gear G, the bevel gear, the ring gear spins counterclockwise. For gear 4 and rock, gear 4 and ring gear G is a compound set, which means it moves counterclockwise as the rock slides to the left. Thank you for listening.